Hello, hello. Let's pick one of these cards today and see what we get. Sorry yourself. It's agony to wait for those words, to tap your foot and hope for someone to see the error of their ways. The bummer truth is, they may never apologize. You might not get the closure you want or the explanation you're owed. So give it to yourself. I mean it. Stop waiting on someone else and give yourself the dang apology you're waiting on. And what angel number do we need to see today? 2020, compassion, mercy, diplomacy, potential service, healing, adaptability, and renewal. Your beliefs and assumptions are validated, showing that you're on the right path. Embrace your talents and gifts, using them to benefit both the world and your own prosperity. Serve others with kindness and generosity, as your potential is boundless. The more you can be present in the now, the more you have a chance to be aware of the messages you may need to receive. As always, take in what resonates and leave out the rest. When you hold on to the past, it stops you from living in the present. Release any old hurts or worries or regrets. Commit to being in the here and now. Forgive yourself for where you think you may have been wrong. You deserve inner peace. Let it go. Valley of Shadows. Step into the enveloping valley of shadows. Here, fears are faced, and the courage is forged in dimly lit paths. The other side. Embrace courage. Open your mind. Learn from experiences and let answers unfold in your journey. Steady progress. Move with deliberate care as patience and attentiveness guide you to thoughtful achievements. Small steps, the small wins, the small triumphs, the everyday victories. Celebrate them. They will take you there. Alrighty, which item has our quotes and messages? Let's do this one. Sometimes silence is more golden than unsolicited advice or opinions. You don't have to say something about everything for your energy to be felt. Billy Chapata. Coincidences. Take note of them. They are occurring around you. The universe is trying to communicate with you. Speak life into others. Encourage their dreams. Support their ideas. Point out their strengths, their talents, and their potential. Sometimes all it takes is one person to remind us that we are capable. Remember, you're alive. Act like it. Go outside. Take a walk. Stomp in the mud. Climb a mountain. Jump in a puddle. Lose your phone. Go find yourself. And the last one today. Stop trying to feed soul food to someone who only wants a snack. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.